Hey guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to another video. As of right now, I'm kind of lost. I took a bunch of turns, I don't know where I am. So, out in the city right now, about 2 in the afternoon. I slept in, I was gonna make a bunch of videos, because I know I've been MIA. I had a man flu, or man cold, so I apologize for the lack of content, but I'm back, I'm better. I didn't want to ride the bike while I was all drugged up with Benadryl. But anyway, I'm in a very rich area. Oh, that's a lake. I have no idea where I am. Just want to take a quick moment to thank you guys for the 200 subs. I think we're at 208 now as of today. So I really appreciate everything you guys are doing for me. We'll throw some skipping stones. But, you know, 200 doesn't seem like a lot, but it means a lot. So I appreciate you all for hanging around and putting up with me. Oh, I know where I am. Not where I thought I was. Like a private golf course? What is this? Yep. Country club. All this money, I'm not seeing any cool cars. It's kind of disappointing. That's a Ferrari. Still not that cool though. Like, what the fuck is that? I'm a faster bicycle. There's no real direction that we're heading. I wanted today. I wanted today to kind of be a whatever happens happens kind of vibe, but also just go out and do a bunch of random shenanigans. So there's no goal besides not getting hit by a car. That's a pretty big goal. I don't know where I am. Like, I don't know Burlington. Just kind of going straight. There's a lot of very wealthy people here. Let's go this way. Actually, no, let's go straight. I get all these looks like, oh, this is a loud bike, but like, I'm at 5K RPM. It can get a lot louder. $3,000 a month for rent. The thing I don't get about cyclists, they'll take up the whole road, like groups of them, impede traffic, and then get upset when people pass them. And like, it doesn't bother them at all that they're taking up everybody's day. See, that's what I want. Airstream. I'll live in that. What is that? I've never seen one of those in person before. That is awesome. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing solid. I missed you. I made a video not yesterday, the day before, and I had tucked the microphone behind the padding, and let's just say I couldn't hear anything. Just muffled. Unfortunately, with how, you know, nitpicky I could be, I deleted everything. So, keeping this bad boy until end of season, probably like October, November, once my policy renews for insurance. And then we're gonna get rid of this thing. And then roughly in the new year slash between New Year's and I want to say March, we'll probably get the new bike. But I'll keep shopping around because, you know, one could pop up in November or December. No, I'd probably jump on that, but won't insure it until May. Because then that way, then that won't work. So I'll have to insure it before May, get a policy on it, and then update my policy once I get my full license. That makes more sense. I'm torn between 3 bikes. My number 1 is the Gixxer 750. 2 is the ZX6R, and then the 3rd one's the CBR 600. So all solid bikes. Just the CBRs just feels the smallest out of the 3. Kawasaki, because I already know what they're like. And then the Gixxer, just because it's a beefier boy. I love traffic so much. If only there was a way for motorcycles to not get stuck in this. And only if there was a legal way to do that. Listen, I would lane split here, but I would die. Legally did that. Waving at. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know this video's kind of been all over the place. Went to Toronto. The highways were a nightmare. My butt hurts a lot. It was a fun ride though. I know I didn't go over everything, but I gotta save all that stuff for future videos. Ride was fun. I got to get lost and find my way back to where I was going, even though I didn't have a set destination. It was still nice to just cruise around. probably pissed off more people than I should have. It is what it is. Definitely would have liked to go over a few more things, but I definitely gapped out. So we're already on the ride home. A long journey home. Again, I want to thank you guys for 200 subscribers. It means a lot. Next 250. That's our next goal. I know we can do it. If you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed the content, leave a comment and a like down below. I'd like to get to know my community a little bit better, what you guys ride, so, or if you ride, or if you don't, or if you want to. If you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Time for rush hour traffic.